It all started in 2018 with an idea: let's do something creative for our children to contribute to their personal and professional growth. How about introducing the work we do to our children, showing the IT world and inspiring them? This idea was turned into reality by our TKids team, made up of employees from different departments, enthusiastically volunteering their time. Our passion is not only to motivate children, but also to bring them the opportunity to learn through experience about new IT technologies, modern methodologies, while having fun at the same time.
Building on positive experience of our employees' children, we have decided to collaborate with elementary schools in Košice region.
Children learn the basics of LEGO robot programming in a playful way. They work in teams and learn about Scrum as an agile way to achieve the best team results.
Children's enthusiasm quickly spread among their teachers, who have become interested in bringing this agile approach into their classes. And there, our journey to support the development of the teachers from all over the Slovakia began.
We have adapted to changing conditions and moved TKids activities to online world.
Our latest initiative is the ongoing cooperation with children from foster homes, and we are all looking forward to what future brings.